Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we are comparing two fantastic countertop ice makers that promise to deliver quick and efficient ice production for your home, office, or parties. On one side, we have the Countertop Ice Maker, known for its rapid production and self-cleaning feature. On the other side, we have the DUMOS Ice Maker, which offers great value and the flexibility of two ice sizes. Let's find out which one comes out on top. When it comes to pricing, the Countertop Ice Maker is priced at $99, while the DUMOS Ice Maker is available for just $69. This makes the DUMOS a more budget-friendly option, especially for those looking for a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. Both machines offer similar daily ice production, but the DUMOS provides better value for your money. One of the standout features of the DUMOS Ice Maker is its ability to produce two different sizes of bullet ice, catering to various beverage needs. In contrast, the Countertop Ice Maker only produces one size. This flexibility in ice size can enhance your drink experience, making the DUMOS a more versatile choice for parties and gatherings. Noise level can be a significant factor when choosing an ice maker. The Countertop Ice Maker operates at less than 45 decibels, while the DUMOS Ice Maker boasts an impressive noise level of under 40 decibels. This means that the DUMOS is quieter, making it a better option for those who prefer a more peaceful environment while the machine is in operation. In conclusion, both the Countertop Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker are excellent choices for anyone in need of a portable ice maker. While the Countertop Ice Maker offers a robust design and reliable performance, the DUMOS stands out with its affordability and dual ice size feature. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.